Now this hill is pretty steep, isn't it, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're in first gear, low range, and we'll just let it crawl. No gas, no nothing. Just let it go up the hill. So let's see if it'll make it all the way up here on its own. Do you think people will actually watch this video the whole way through? Think people will watch it the whole way through? Again, no gas. It's pretty steep. The hill's pretty steep. It's hard to see on camera, but we probably got, oh, I don't know, 30-degree, 35-degree bank. I mean, we're pretty steep here. Watch your head. Watch your head. Oh, and we're just crawling up the hill. We're just crawling. Just crawling. Doing its thing. Pretty steep, isn't it?